Alrighty guys, in today's streaming review, we are checking out some cases from Crave for my 16 Pro Max. They did send over their protection series of cases in 3 different colors, which is fantastic. We've got a navy, a lilac, and a sand color case. Let's check these out and let's see what they've sent over. Here are the Crave cases in front of me. We've got the lilac, navy, and the sand here. Let's unbox all of them. They're all going to be the exact same unboxing experiences. Let's just get one opened. All right, very straightforward. Everything comes out. Here is the case itself. Let's get them all opened here. Alrighty, here are all the colors. We've got the lilac, the navy, and the sand. Everything feels really nice. Okay, so as you guys can see, when I do stretch that, there's just a 2-piece here. So we've got the rubber part and then the hard plastic part as well. That's what that noise is. We've got a button here. That's plastic as well for the sleep wake, the volume controls, and the action button. Cutouts at the bottom, and a cutout for the camera control as well. Let's chuck my phone in here. Everything snaps in pretty nice, and there is the case itself. The camera control feels fine. Yeah, that's accessible. That's not a problem at all. Buttons are clicky. I like these cases. I'm going to test them out. This is just the unboxing of them. Let's try it out. They're very easy to get on and off, which is really good. Navy, that's, again, nice and sleek. They're all the same case, so it's literally just different colors for this type of case. The cutout looks fine. USB-C cable, that fits in no problems at all. Does it have MagSafe is the question. Let's check out if it's got MagSafe. All right, MagSafe charger here. And it's got MagSafe as well. Yep. Which is fantastic. It's not plugged in, so it won't start charging, but definitely got MagSafe, which is very good to know, because I hate when cases don't have MagSafe, especially my new ones. If they don't have got MagSafe and the new 16 Pro Max, it does get quite annoying, because a lot of my things are all MagSafe. Finally, the sand color, very nice. Like a greeny. It's got, I don't know, it looks a bit greenish, but very nice. Protection from the screen, which is great. Camera protection as well. It's a very just robust case. They look very nice. Shock absorption, ultra slim design, cutouts, and premium quality. Strong, reliable, and protective, it says here. Let's test these out, and I'll come back to you guys with my final review once I've finished checking them out. All right, I've been running the Crave cases on my phone for about a week now, and here are my final thoughts. So for $20, I think these cases, if you're after a durable and like a hard-wearing case, I honestly wouldn't look past these cases. They're not paying me to say anything. They've actually just sent me the cases just to check out and show you guys, but they are literally, for $20, some of the best cases I've seen in terms of durable cases. Like, they're a bit heavy for weight because they are so thick and durable, but if I've dropped this and I haven't had a problem. There's not one scuff on this. Like, it's just a durable hard-wearing case. I've been using it all week and the case looks brand new. So if you guys are in the market for some high-quality durable cases that are cheap, look no further than the Crave Protection Series cases for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. They also have cases from iPhone 16e to the iPhone 13 and everything in between. They have all those cases. From the Samsung S25 Ultra all the way to the A series, anything between that, they've got cases. From the Google Pixel 9a to the Pixel 6, they've got cases. They've got screen protectors. They've got different cables. They've got speakers. They've got screen protectors. And they've got a bunch of chargers as well, portable chargers, wall chargers, car chargers, and whatnot. So Crave actually have quite a few things, not only cases. And if the quality is as good as it is for $20 on this, I'm imagining that those other products are going to be just as good. So if you guys are interested, links in the description down below. Check out Crave. Big shout out to Crave for sending these cases over. I really do appreciate it. And if there's anything else I can check out on this channel, I'll speak to Crave and maybe we can do another collaboration. So thank you, Crave, for that. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. If you have, smash the thumbs up button and stay tuned for another video.